Hello folks, it's Swano again. Same day, different caftan because I got it wet down the beach. Having a glass of wine in the fading light. Cheers everybody. I was just making burgers for my boys for dinner and I just had this idea, which is not that revolutionary, but I just thought if you've got a child with sensory processing disorder, which my Digby does, sometimes certain foods just do not get eaten, but you still want them to have the nutrients. So I've got, I want him to eat carrot. Usually he'll just spit out grated carrot. So I've just thought, well, let's make a real quick pickle. So I've grated carrot into a jar. And you can do this just as you need it, so it's nice and fresh, really fresh. Into a jar, grated carrot, pinch of Nusa salt, beautiful salt, love it. Pinch of sugar, if you want to put in sugar, you don't have to put in sugar. And a splash, a tiny splash of vinegar, or lemon juice or lime juice would work. And then just shake it up. And this will sort of also bruise the carrot a bit too, soften it up, but you can just let it sit there like that in the jar until you've finished prepping your meal for your children, and put that on the burgers. You can drain it off. You could drink the liquid. Actually, you should, if you used apple cider vinegar with the mother, it'd be a really nice little tonic. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you because it's a little handy hint. It's a little carrot in a jar. It's going to be soft. It's going to go on a burger, and Digby's going to eat it. All good. All right. I'll catch you tomorrow. We're going to tackle gyp rocking. Yes.